Respected people of the world, respected people of the world, people of India, people of Tamil Nadu, my God, my gurus, and my friends. I observed a strange video in YouTube once upon a time. In that, actor Vivek, Tamil actor Vivek, comedy actor, he praised our guru or my guru, Mr. Sadguru Jaggi Vasudev, related to Isha Yoga, Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu, India, that he sometimes in a terrorist mode. Later, sometime when I visited our ashram, I found a board that in Tamil words, Tívravadigal Thevai, like that board. That means terrorists are needed in Isha Yoga. I found that board in Isha Yoga, Center Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu, India. So I think some criminal activity is happening in that ashram without the knowledge of our guru or my guru, Mr. Sadguru Jaggi Vasudev. Actor Vivek may be a reason. Thank you.